northeastern Cecil County in northeastern Maryland, southwestern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 7:15 p.m. At 6:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mount Vernon, or 16 miles northwest of Newark, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles if possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Newark, Elton, Calvert, Kennett Square, Oxford, Parkersburg, West Road, Rising Sunshine, Holmville, Glen Roy, Zion, Lake, Parkdale, Cottonville, North Star, West Nottingham, Mount Vernon, Hutch Creek, Bear Hill, and Glen Westover. This includes the following highways: Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 0 and 2. Interstate 95 in Maryland between mile markers 101 and 109. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.